Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out two products from Samsung, and it's going to be the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So these are actually special edition watches, and as you can see from right here, these are the Golf editions. So with the Golf editions, you get a lifetime membership to the Caddy Club, something like that. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but you also do get this nice design change with the watches for both of them. So nothing major, just some color changes as you can see, plus you do get this white band, but the prices are the same. So the Galaxy Watch 5 starts from, well, the price on this one is going to be $329.99, and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is going to be $499.99. So these prices are the same as the normal watches that you get. So this right here isn't going to be an in-depth review of all the features and whatnot. This is mainly just to check out the Golf editions of these watches and some of the color changes I guess they've made. But other than that, there isn't much to it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. So on the right side, you can see the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro comes in a black box, and the Galaxy Watch 5 comes in a white box. So let's start off with the Galaxy Watch 5. So on the back, we do get some information. So as you can see, Smart Caddy, that is the app that you get unlimited lifetime access to. Again, I'm not sure what that is, but you can go ahead and check it out. Other than that, there really isn't much to it. So we still do get the sapphire screen with the display on this, which is always good to know. We do get our charger, which is inside of here, and we also do get our watch right here. So with the white band right here. So let's go and place this to the side real quick and actually first check out the charging brick that we get with it and see if it actually has a change in color. So opening it up, again, we do get a black charging brick for the Galaxy Watch 5. So nothing major, again, as I said. We don't really get too many changes other than the watch, and the watch is right here. So this is the Galaxy Watch 5. We do get this nice white band. It is a silicone band, it's not a leather band, and then we also do get this black outline on the sides of the band, as you can see, and this is the 44mm version. So there is a 41 as always, but I always go with the bigger one. So Galaxy Watch, just drop some boxes. So Galaxy Watch 5 Pro now, and this is again the Golf edition. We still do get the Smart Caddy membership. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, if I can manage to open it up. Boom. So here is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Again, we do get our charging accessories and whatnot. Probably still a black charging cable with this one right here. So I'm going to plop that to the side. Alright, and then let's take out the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Boom. So here is the Watch 5 Pro. So we do get the bezel, as you can see, but this isn't a rotating bezel, which is something that many people didn't like about this watch. But again, I'm fine with it. I usually do prefer going with the Galaxy Watch Active series, or now it's just called the Galaxy Watch 5 instead of the Pro version. I really like the minimal design of the normal Galaxy Watch instead of the Pro version, which just depends on preference. So other than that, there really isn't much different about the two watches. So let's go ahead and check these out a little more. As you can see, we do get green outlines on the buttons right there. We do have a nice little outline, and then it says Samsung. If it can focus, it says Samsung right there. And then on the Watch 5 Pro, again, we do get a green outline where the buttons are, and then it probably says Samsung right there. Not sure if you can see that right there. It says Samsung for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let's go ahead and turn these watches on. I'm going to go ahead and quickly go through the setup. I'll get these set up, and once the setup is done, I'll get back to y'all and we'll just go ahead and see if we have any software changes with the Golf edition. Maybe some different skins, maybe some different wallpapers for the front face of the watch. So we might get a different watch face, but again, we will have to get the setup to actually see that. So let me go ahead and quickly get these set up, and once I'm done with that, I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so the watches are being set up. I did get the Watch 5 Pro set up. It was a pretty easy process. All I had to do was mainly just wait for this, so it did take a little while, but other than that, everything was super easy and simple. So as that one is getting set up, this is the Galaxy Watch 5, let's actually go ahead and check out the Watch 5 Pro. So again, this watch, the Golf editions, don't have anything different compared to the other watches that you have, the normal Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. But we do get this nice little cool home screen watch face. As you can see, we do have a nice little golf putting area right there. I'm not sure if you can see it because it is being covered up by the time. We also do get a nice little indication of our battery percentage right down there. Plus we do get the date and I guess the day that it is. So it's a pretty cool watch face that we get, but other than that, you don't really get too much with it. So I guess you're not getting too much, but again, it's a nice watch. It's a nice little design change that they've done, and I actually do prefer this white band. It looks really nice and clean. However, if you don't want to get a white band and if you don't want it to get dirty, I'm not sure how long this will actually last. Might start getting yellow over time. I haven't tested out enough. This is just the first time I'm unboxing these. But again, overall, these are some pretty cool watches. So again, if you do want to pick these watches up, there will be a link in the description. But as always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one. So if you do want a more in-depth review of the Galaxy Watch 5 series, then make sure to comment down below and I'll actually make it into a consideration. So see y'all in the next one.